New information from the CDC is changing the way schools in Pierce County deal with COVID-19. School districts will now allow students to come back to school if 5 days have passed since testing positive with no symptoms are present or symptoms are resolving, and no fever within the past 24 hours without medication. The CDC now reports that the science shows that the majority of SARS-CoV-2 transmission occurs early in the course of illness, generally a day or two prior to onset of symptoms and 2 to 3 days after. But the changes come as COVID cases increase significantly across Pierce County. The Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department stated the county saw 13 outbreaks in schools this week. Given the situation, not everyone is convinced that this is the right move.
Some of our educators are feeling like the new information is in line with the medical recommendations and they're feeling very confident with it. Some are feeling like things are moving too fast and we may be focused too much on trying to keep schools open and not enough on health and safety.
Diverse needs have parents split on the changes that would get kids back into school faster.
It's a lot better for the younger children and the children with learning disabilities because luckily my husband does work from home, but I'm not in the house to help my stepson stay focused with school.
I don't understand why they would shorten the quarantine time, especially with more kids getting it.
But even with the changes, Ergun says there are still basic questions the county must answer.
How do we ensure that the kids are in the room are getting a quality education? How do we ensure that kids that need to be quarantined or isolated, who are unable to attend, are also getting a robust education? How do we keep the kids that aren't sick? How do we keep them healthy? All of these things are major concerns.
Now, Ergun went on to say that making sure that schools had enough tests and masks would go a long way in making teachers feel safer, especially the KN95 masks, which she says are better fit for Tacoma's teachers. But for now, we're live in Tacoma. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.